Eric here with Dream Factory Makerspace. On today's tutorial, we're going to do some leatherette hat patches. So I cut these out on the P3 and we're going to put them on the Omni, and we're going to print some hat patches. I've been getting a lot of requests for these in the comments, so today we're going to do it. It'd be nice if I had white ones because it would be a little bit easier, but we're just going to do brown, and I think it's going to come out great. And remember, if you guys like this kind of content, you don't want to miss any of my future videos, make sure you like and subscribe, turn on notifications. But let's get started. Okay guys, we're in xTool Studio. I have scanned this in, and I've also went in here and created the smart mask where you extract it, and right here it shows the area. And we've applied that smart masking on here. Now we just need to drag our artwork in here. We can just get our artwork aligned. Let's zoom in there. Just go down a little bit. I like that. That looks good. So we've got our artwork aligned. There is masked off. So we're going to go ahead and print this. What I'm going to do is run it texture. We're just going to do a little bit of a mild texture, so I don't want it real heavy. I'll probably try to do a little thicker one later on. Vertical edge is good because I want it kind of be a sharp edge. And then we are going to do the flexible white because it is a hat patch. That way it stays a little bit more pliable. And then we're going to go ahead and process this. Alright, it says it's going to take 11 minutes and 36 seconds. We'll calculate it. And what I've noticed here is if you put these all side by side, it doesn't really increase the time, so you could do a batch of them. But if you go front to back on the plate, that's where your time starts going up. So it looks like it's going to cost us about 6 cents in ink to print this. So just to get an idea, so let's put print and we'll get it done. Alright guys, we're back from the printer and I've pressed this onto the hat. Results came out really nice. It's got really good texture. So anyway, I think it came out really nice. The alignment is spot on. I couldn't ask for any better on that. So it worked out really good. I wish that I maybe would have got this color a little closer to this color, but anyway, maybe next time we'll try it again. So anyway guys, if you like this kind of content, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you on the next video.